Honorable Chief Guest of today's program, Honorable Guests of Honor, Honorable Judges of the Supreme Courts, and distinguished members of the Bar, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. Being the most junior 12 female judges of the Supreme Court, it is both an honor and privilege for me to preside over today's program, organized by Bangladesh International Mediation Society, in honor of our esteemed guest, Justice Aisha Shujune, Senior Judge of Supreme Court of Muslims. We are indeed gratified by the presence of such a distinguished member of the judiciary who has kindly visited Bangladesh to participate in a student wing conference organized by Bangladesh International Mediation Society at Paharpur, Nougat. The program, as we have come to know, was a very successful one with her presence among the students, young mediators, which is very meaningful and inspiring for those who are actively participating in this particular area of alternative dispute resolution, an area which has in recent times assumed considerable significance within the administration of justice. At this stage, I would like to mention a pertinent topic about which Her Lordship Justice Farah Mahbub mentioned, the amendment ordinance which has come into effect in 2025 and another one in 2026. And these two amendments of Legal Aid Act, which is basically an outcome of the July uprising followed by the reforms. And in the amendment of Legal Aid Act 2000, as Her Lordship Justice Farah Mahbub mentioned, that pre-litigation mediation has been made mandatory in certain cases, such as family disputes, land-related disputes, and some compoundable criminal offense, and such as dowry-related offense, and petty offenses which could be resolved through mediation before the parties move before a court to file a formal litigation. And I just would like to add, with Your Lordship, that by this amendment, the execution, the outcome of the decision which comes through mediation among the parties, this has been made executable through court and has been given effect as a decree of the court. So these amendments are very important, and a very update regarding these amendments are that these two ordinances have been presented before the Parliament as a bill to be considered by the Parliamentary Committee. This occasion was, in fact, organized by Bangladesh International Mediation Society for felicitation of Her Lordship, Madam Justice Aisha Shujune, who has come all the way from Maldives and visited Bangladesh and attended various programs in here. The judiciary of Maldives, as we know, and Bangladesh are united by common commitment to the rule of law, access to justice, and the continuous improvement of dispute resolution process. It is our earnest expectation that such engagement will further strengthen mutual understanding and contribute meaningfully to the development of mediation practices in our respective jurisdiction. As Honorable Justice Mr. Ahmed Sohel has mentioned, that presence of Her Lordship Aisha Shujune through her presence, we are sharing a vision. This is not just a formal event. This is something to share our experience and to share our vision in this field. Just as Aisha Shujune Muhammad stated in her speech about women participation in mediation, and it is really inspiring for all the women present here and who are working as an accredited mediators in this field, when she said that women participation is not only expected but essential, and this sounds very inspiring for all of us who are working in this particular field. And she also said that women's participation makes mediation stronger and it helps diverse perspectives. I do not want to miss out the opportunity to say a few words that before coming to this program, I took the opportunity to go through some online videos to watch some speeches and of Her Lordship Justice Aisha Shujune Muhammad, and I found those very inspiring, her vocal and the way she thought on various issues of judiciary and particularly women participation. So on this occasion, I like to say a very thank you for coming to Bangladesh and to give us the opportunity to show you the gratitude and our best wishes for you in your future, and we would love to have you among us in future in many occasions. So with all these, I would like to finish my words, and thank you to all.